songs for her, but your good friend Karan said that he doesn't want to do item numbers anymore. They're not appropriate. What are your views on item
As in,
numbers?
he doesn't want to dance.
No, no, in his
In his
Oh, in his
movies.
films, okay.
and stuff
Okay.
like that.
Okay.
What are your views on item numbers now?
You know what? I anyway don't like to call them item numbers because I think that just reduces their importance. I think they're, very special songs in movies and they've been there since the ages. I mean, Helen Auntie's been doing it since when and many other people. And those songs become iconic. I think हमारे day and age में हमने उसको कम कर दिया by saying it's an item song. It's not an item song. It's a special song. It's made on a grand scale. It's there to promote the film. And I think most of us always look forward to great music. So why are we reducing it? Great music, great dancing. It's a huge part of Bollywood culture. Why are we reducing it by just saying item song? It's not an item song. It's a special song and they should always be there.
And celebrate it.
Yeah.
Your views on it?
I completely agree, and I think I've always said it. Please do not tag them or label, as item songs, etc. But I think I'm constantly asked, the one thing I feel I've done so many songs, and one thing I can say confidently is that I've never been objectified in any of the songs. I've done the songs knowingly, I've done the songs willingly, I've done the songs completely, knowing that this is what the situation is. So I've never ever felt. But if anybody does feel, I think it's very important for them to come forward and speak.
Yeah.
But I can speak for myself. I've loved the experience of doing every song.
Amazing.
Thank you.
See your girl gang. Give us girl gang goals as well.
We definitely move in a pack because that's how we are. We are like wolves. We move in a pack, but we don't party all night. We reserve that for very, very special occasions. But yeah, I think it's fun to hang out with our girls. We love hanging out together.
Listen, we're neighbors, and at 6 in the morning, I can suddenly feel those vibes of yoga happening in the flat underneath. I can suddenly imagine her doing her headstands and everything. It's a lot of pressure. So then I also have to wake up and go to the gym, So that's the...
We motivate each other.
Yeah, we motivate each other.
That you met her in the plane and all, and then how suddenly, all of a sudden, how this idea came to make this?
We met in the plane and we was thinking of a song. When we sit in the studio, see, as creative people, especially in the studio, it's my job to make sure that I'm going to deliver something that she's going to be happy with. So writing the song and making the composition of a song which she's happy with was one of the most important things for me. And the first thing I ask in anybody in the studio is, what type of song do you want? Slow song, Ron da Gana, do you want something party song? Do you want like a wedding song? And she said, I want a party song. So I said, okay, theek hai. As a party song, Ajni Sona is the perfect hook line for a party song.
So how long you have taken to write this song and all? How long?
I think we wrote it within a couple of days, like 4 or 5 days. Within 4 or 5 days, we was
And
done.
one more question to Malaika. No, one more thing I would like to ask her. The day by day, you look more younger. What is the secret of that beauty?
Yoga.
See, I'm telling you.
I believe it. I believe
No,
you.
you and me, no?
Yoga. Karo Rose, you'll always remain fresh and young.
You are sweet 16.
Malaika, what kind of a music you prefer? Like Punjabi is always high on the chart, actually, top of the chart. But then आपको किस तरह का music पसंद करते
I think हमें हर किस्म का म्यूजिक पसंद है. Definitely
Mood पे
पंजाबी
depend करता है.
मूड पे डिपेंड करता है. But I love पंजाबी tracks और आज देखो तो पंजाबी tracks का इतना craze बन गया है. So I think it's fantastic. But music is music, whether it's whatever kind. I love all kinds of music.